Next in Scratch, we are going to do looks, which is just below motion. So our first thing here is say hello for 2 seconds. So we'll go to events, and when green flag is clicked, we'll go to looks, and we'll put this block here. Here we can write anything, and here we can change the number. So whenever we'll click this green flag, this cat, the sprite is going to say hello for 2 seconds. So here we can say that it is saying hello for 2 seconds. If we want to change message, we can say hello world, and here I'm saying not for 2 seconds, I'm saying 3 seconds. Then that message will be displayed for 3 seconds. Then automatically it will go. Next option is say hello. So here we can change the message hello world. So this is not for limited period of time for 2 seconds, 3 seconds or 5 seconds. It will be there for all the time. So this is saying hello world. Now it will not go. This message will not go because here there is no second specified. Next is think for 2 seconds. Here we are not going to change this message, and time is also same. What it is going to do, it is going to say for 2 seconds. And if I change the message, like here I'm saying I am a cat. So this message will be displayed here as if the sprite is thinking for 2 seconds. Then it will go. Same way, one more option is here, think, but here seconds are not specified. So when I will click this green flag, it will keep thinking. This thinking thing will not go. It will be there for all the time. Our next option is switch costume to. Switch costume to, if we put here, and here we can see that each sprite is provided with multiple costumes. Here this is the costume 1, this is costume 2. So when I say switch costume to costume 1, and when I will click on this green flag, you can see that it is costume 1. If I change it here to costume 2, and then when I will click here, it will be costume 1. If you want to do it automatically, so we'll go to control, and in control go for forever. In forever, put switch costume to costume 2. Then we'll put a wait of few seconds. 1 second will be big. So here I'm saying 0.2 second. And again, we'll go to looks, and this is switch costume to costume 1. So this is the simplest way in which we can switch from one costume to another. Now whenever I'll click on this green flag, we'll feel like this cat is walking. If we put a delay of instead of 0.2, if I say 0.3, then movement will be little fast, slow. And if I say instead of 0.3, if it is 1 second, then it will be even more slow. After 1 second, it is showing the movement. If I put a wait of 1 second here also, then it will be more slow. Next option here is next costume. So here I'm removing all this thing. Next, for this option we don't need to put the costume we want to switch over to. We just put next costume, then this cat will automatically shift to its next costume. Once it will be this, second time it will be this, then it will be this, again it will be this. So it is doing it very fast. So if we want, we can put a wait of 1 second, then it will be little slow. It is automatically moving. Our next block is switch backdrop to backdrop 1. So here I'm putting this. Right now we haven't chosen any stage, so we'll go to this backdrop, and here I'm choosing baseball 1, and one more stage I'm choosing is baseball 2. So here we can see that we are provided with 2 stages. So what here we can do is switch backdrop to baseball 1. Here we can say, so once when we'll click here, it will change to baseball 1. Again, we want to change it, so we cannot do it like this. What we have to do, simplest way is put a wait of a second, and then again we'll go to looks and switch backdrop to baseball 2. So second time when I click, it will go to baseball 2. Here we can see that after a wait of a second, it is changing stage. If we want to do it continuously, so then we can put it in forever loop. Now whenever we'll click this green flag, after a delay of 1 second, it is going to change. It is happening like this because here we have to put a wait of a second. Now it will be normal. Our next block is our next backdrop. So here I'm choosing this block, and whenever I click here, it will change backdrop. First background is plain 1, then is baseball 1, then is baseball 2. If we remove this, it will toggle between first and second. And again, if we want to do it continuously, so then we can put it in forever. Next backdrop, and here we can put a wait of 1 second. This way it will change. Our next block is change size by 10. So here as of now, I'm removing this backdrop for clarity. There should be at least one backdrop. We have already removed that white one, so I'm keeping this one only. Now change size by 10. What it is going to do, it is going to increase the sprite size by 10 whenever we click. So here we can see that sprite size is increasing, and instead of 10, if I put -10, then sprite size will decrease. Now it has become very tiny. Second thing is set size to 100%. Whatever was the original size of that sprite, it will come to that size. So this was the original size of that sprite. Our next block is change color effect by 25. Here if I put it here, and it is 25 here, whenever I click this the green flag, so here we can see that it has changed its color. Here we can change the number to 50, so effect will be different. And if we want to go to previous one, whatever was its previous color, so we can bring the set color effect to 0, and when we click here, it will come to its original color. Like color, there are many other options like change. Again, we are bringing this. Now second is fisheye. We click green flag. Here we can say that sprite has changed a little, and instead if we want to bring it to previous one, then again fisheye and click here, it will be same as it was previous. Next is whirl. If we click green flag, We can see that it is like distorting this image, and we want to bring it to previous one, so we have to bring it here, and here it is world. It will be again as it was in the beginning. Next effect is pixelate. Now if we put it here and click here, it is showing pixels, and if we want to restore it, set pixelate effect to 0. It will be again same as it was in the beginning. Next is mosaic. If you click green flag, it will look like this, and if you want to see bring it to previous one, then set mosaic effect to 0. Again it will be as it was in the beginning. Next is brightness. It is going to increase the brightness of sprite, and again we want to restore it. Click here, again it will be same. And last option here is ghost effect. So click green flag. You can see that it is getting little transparent, and if you want to restore previous one, then set ghost effect to 0. Again it will be same as it was in the beginning. Our next option is clear graphics effect. It is going to remove all the visual effects which we have applied on this sprite. For example, here I'm saying that here I'm choosing fish eye, and here when I click this green flag, here we can see that it is distorting. So whenever I click here, it is going to restore previous picture. So it is going to remove all the graphic effect applied on the sprite. Our next block is show and hide. So whenever this green flag is clicked, we want our sprite to hide. Then after a wait of a second, it should again reappear. For that, here we'll put this show block. So here I'm clicking this green flag, it will hide, and after a second it will again display. Again it will hide, and after a second it will display. We want to do this continuously, so put it in forever. Hide show is going on. Here it is happening like this. If we put a wait of a second here also, then it will be normal.